Metroid Prime is back after 20 years, and fans are still at war over how Samus fits in her power suit.
Are you a fan of Metroid at all?
I mean, did I play this on Game Boy? Is that what I did?
It was big on Game Boy.
Yeah, I think I played it on Game Boy.
So Samus has like a really, iconic suit. But somehow people can't figure out how she fits because of the broad shoulders. And to this day, I mean, it's still a mystery.
Isn't it just like football, or hockey? Isn't it just like shoulder pads?
Yeah, but you would still have to have really broad shoulders to fit, especially when Samus is like a very petite, like slender girl, I guess. But yeah. It kind of fits here.
Yeah, this just depends on how, why do you think that she is so slender? Because right here it says she's 6'3" and weighs 198. Nothing slender about that.
Yeah. But based on drawings, illustrations, she's even in Smash Brothers, and she's like this slender character. So
maybe it's the character that needs work and not the suit.
Maybe, yeah.
Inconsistent proportions over the years. A spread in Nintendo Power magazine around the era of Super Metroid suggested that she's 6'3" tall and weighs 198. Strong, muscular woman. So there you go. That's OG. Nintendo Power magazine. How long ago was that? They got to go with that.
So you think this is?
I think you're looking at a strong, powerful woman in a strong, powerful suit. I'm all for it, dude.
All right, yeah.
I'm with it. So it's coming back to all the modern consoles? Is that what's going on?
Yeah, I think they're probably going to remake it or have like a new version, a new game. But yeah, with the proportions, I never got that. I never got it.
This is still bugging you, this proportional thing?
It kind of does, yeah.
What?
That Nintendo can't acknowledge it.
Well, but it can't.
See, that's her. That's her.
Guys, the shoulders don't have to go up in there. They can just be, do the shoulders, where does the arm articulate?
I'm guessing here, right?
Because if you've ever seen, have you seen football shoulder pads? They sit on top. They don't articulate. The joint is not there. They just stay stable. Maybe I need to know how the articulation actually works here.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what I need to see.
But yeah, there's a lot of fan theories and
yeah. You know what? All these people drawing all these things, what they really should be doing is heading to different Walmarts and fixing shelves full of Feastables.
Yeah. And then Mr. Beast can acknowledge.
That's what should be going on.
Can heart your tweet.
That's right.